How to learn online, strategies and tools. So you just registered for an online course and you think to yourself, well, this course will be super easy because I don't have a fixed time to show up and I don't have to work with others. And I can just keep procrastinating until the very last minute to get all the work done and still get a good grade. Well, I'm sorry to tell you that you are far away from the truth. Online or hybrid courses actually take more work. It requires usually a higher level of study skills. Those courses usually require you to know Blackboard and navigate it very skillfully. It may also require you to read and watch extra materials so you can participate in, say, an online discussion forum or even in person. You may also require to read and reflect and post an initial comment in the discussion forum by a date and post a final comment by another date. So time is important, and failing to do so would negatively impact your grades. And additionally, online or hybrid courses may require a higher level of group collaboration skills because you have to work with people who don't see very often and who may have various priorities and who may just live far apart. It takes a great deal of planning, coordination, and execution. But just don't let this scare you away. Online or hybrid courses give you abundant flexibility. You will have enhanced professional computer skills, deep reflection skills, collaboration skills, and it will enhance your self-management skills overall, which will benefit you in the long run. So what are the skills I need in order to be successful in an online or hybrid courses? So first, know your learning management platforms such as Blackboard. You can take workshops if your school or places offer them. Additionally, know Microsoft Word. For example, if your instructor leaves feedback on your paper, you may find them in the comment area. And second, build your calendar for important due dates. Third, create a space and time to study and reset. Next, minimize distractions when reading online. And finally, organize your course files. Build your calendar for important due dates. So before you first begin your class, check both of your campus email and Blackboard and read class schedule very carefully. Address any questions about the time early on. You are recommended to study 2 hours for every credit of a course. So for example, if you're taking an online course that has, say, 3 credits, and you will be studying on your own for at least 6 hours online per week. If your course requires you to meet online, say through video conference such as Blackboard Collaborate, or has specific due date for online activities such as initial and final post on the discussion board. And you want to make sure that you do all that is required to get the grades you need. A good way to keep track of all those dates is to use a calendar app such as Google Calendar to add in all your dates. Once you have all the important dates marked on your calendar, you can rank the task according to priority, and then break the priority task down to 3 smaller steps. For example, if you want to create a PowerPoint presentation about a topic, step 1 is to read a few articles and create notes. Step 2 is to reflect and map out your own ideas based on the research. Step 3 is to create a PowerPoint outline and then fill in the details. On your calendar, if you are a morning person, you can mark 9 to 10 a.m., say on Monday to do research and Tuesday to read a few articles and take notes. Then on Wednesday and Thursday, 9 to 10 a.m. to just reflect over your readings and notes. You can take out a blank piece of paper and draw a mind map about different elements related to the topic. Once you have all your thoughts together, on Friday and Saturday morning, 9 to 10 a.m., you can start to create PowerPoint outlines and fill in the details. Build a tracking sheet for tasks to do and tasks completed, and treat yourself from time to time for tasks you have completed, and this will definitely keep you motivated. Create a space and time to study and rest. During your study time, be sure to locate a time and space that you are most productive and less likely to be interrupted. Then, use the Pomodoro method to keep you focused. Set a 25-minute timer on your phone and turn on the flight mode so your Facebook will stop begging your attention. During this 25-minute window, you promise to yourself that you will focus on one most important study task. When the 25-minute window is up, go out, take a walk, breathe in some fresh air, and maybe do some people watching. This will help you to relax. Then, return to your space and do another 25-minute focused study session. You can adjust it to, say, maybe 30 or 40-minute window if you prefer. If you feel lonely, just join a study group. Minimize distraction when reading online. Reading online can be very challenging because one article can lead you to many other articles at the same time. And in order to keep reading online manageable, you should keep asking yourself the questions. What is the one burning question I'm trying to answer? What is the keyword associated with this question? What do I need to learn from this article in order to answer the question? Just keep following your keywords and key reading objectives in mind. And when you start to see repetitive information from different articles, now it is a time to stop and just start reflecting. Of course, messages from Facebook will start popping up and you just want to check them like now. Good news is that you can use apps to block websites like Facebook during your study time. Waste No Time is a free browser extension for both Safari and Chrome browsers. Just type in Waste No Time extension in Google and check it out. Organize your course files. A good way to keep all your learning materials at one place is to use a big binder, or store them in the cloud such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or Evernote. Whichever you decide to use, just store your file in one place. And for easy access, you can name your files in a format like this: course title plus assignment name plus version number plus date. Apps such as Office Lens, Scannable can digitize your physical copies. To use the app, just take a picture of the file and then it will automatically be transformed into a PDF file, and you can just email it to yourself and store it in the cloud. You can read Online Student Manual for Success to explore further. And one last thing, have fun in your online and hybrid course this semester.